All right, I'm with Lieutenant Brannon Hammick with Hanceville Police Department. I understand we had a noise complaint down here from Hanceville Senior Center.
We did. It's a very rowdy bunch, and I think they go by that name. That's one of their aliases.
I got you. Well, I'm not sure what's going on. They're all dressed in costumes. There are imposters everywhere. Well, how do you handle a group arrest like this?
I understand the orange and blue. I don't really know what the red and white's all about.
This is a take on pin the tail on the donkey. They got a ring, put the football on the goalpost.
So it's like a field goal, pin the tail on the donkey.
All right. Let you blindfold on. Right over here. Now I'm gonna spin you around a couple times.
She's gonna get me drunk, man.
Don't spin it too much, so you know exactly where to go.
All right, straight ahead. No. Turn way
Yeah,
away.
straight.
Straight.
I may score.
Dang, mother.
So the Hanceville Police Department has just arrived due to a noise complaint from the Hanceville Senior Center. We've got Chief Bob Long. He's been enlisted into some long-range football antics.
That's confusing to me. But Chief Long and I are going to investigate this, and we're going to get to the bottom
Well,
of it.
he's already interviewing a suspect right here.
She's guilty.